Welcome to Sprint to Cash. 4 traders compete live. The goal?
Reach payout in 2 hours.
The first trader to succeed wins double. This is Sprint to Cash.
Welcome to Sprint to Cash, where discipline meets pressure and your strategy gets tested in real time. I am your host, Rhea, and I'm here with head coach Anna. Hi, Anna.
Hey, Rhea, good to have you. Good to see you. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see today how everything works out for our traders. And I am for sure excited to see some payouts rolling in. Let's go.
I am so excited too. Today we do have 4 traders with us from all around the world, which is so exciting to see. And they're going to be stepping into a 2-hour challenge on a 25K sprint account. Their goal is to hit 2% profit target, get funded, and then once they're funded, the first person to request their payout gets double the payout. And of course, we want to make sure that we do not violate that 1% static drawdown.
No.
Not at all. Now, last week we had a winner, didn't we, Anna?
We did indeed.
Yes, we had a trader who was able to hit his 2% profit target, and he secured his payout all in less than 2 hours, which was pretty exciting to witness. So we've got a pretty exciting lineup today. What do you think about today? Do you think we've got another shot at another win?
Oh my God. I know I say this every time, every episode, but like I really do believe that today we're going to see something. There is definitely volatility. There's some big news coming. So I think we need to hurry up, introduce our traders, and let's go for trading. What do you think?
I am so excited. I think let's meet our traders for sure.
Okay.
My name is Kevin. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Norway. I started last summer, so not that long. But I think if you stay committed and write down your faults and wrongs and just do them over and over, I think you can succeed in a pretty short of time. I find different POIs, so I'm between a scalper and a swing trader. Okay. I like to protect my capital really fast. Mostly gold or Bitcoin. I think it's a great opportunity and put some pressure on me. I want to just test myself. I think it's a great opportunity for everyone.
Okay. That was Kevin from Norway. How cool. Now let's see who else is with us today.
My name is Prash Mishra. I come from a country from the Himalayas, from Nepal. I'm currently living in Portugal, Madeira. Well, I started scalper, but I'm more leaning towards swing trading now. Prefer swing trading, yeah. Pretty new at this. I started with gold scalping, but then I see the volatility. It's not my friend, definitely not my friend. So I switched it to stable, but very volatile, very liquid asset, Forex. So I do cable and fiber most of the time. I want to prove to myself and to the platform as well that I'm worth their time, and I hope I can do this.
Now that's Prash tuning in from Portugal, although he's originally from Nepal, which I thought was pretty cool. Now, who else? We've got 2 more traders to meet.
My name is Adnan In. My father's name is Noor, and I am from Pakistan. My city is Sargodha, and my capital is Punjab. Take what market gives you. That is the very simple rule. Depends on the market behavior and market structure and market volatility. My all-time favorite asset is XAU USD. My 99% trading is in XAU USD gold. And I have seen that we will be given the 2 hours time in which we will have to manage and pass the account in the evaluation phase and go to the funded stage. So I see that it is a good opportunity for me to prove myself and express myself in front of the world that I have some skills.
Well, we are excited to have Adnan here with us. And we have one more trader to meet.
One more.
I'm by name Chuol David, a young trader in Africa, especially Uganda, in the capital city called Kampala. Honestly, I love trading to swing trader, but at the same time, I do trade as a day trader. Whenever I get a good setup during a New York session or maybe London session in gold, I have to take that trade. So for now, I do trade gold, but I love UK 100 more. This is one of the opportunities that I have been waiting. I couldn't afford an account. If I got this chance, it is must that I have to show my talent, my skills to the company so that I can be paid or I can be able to take care of myself.
And lastly, we had Chuol from Uganda. So we met all four of our traders. And now that we've met them, Anna, I think it's time to recap on the rules, right? Because we want them to be able to get started.
Yeah, for sure. Let's quickly go through the rules. Traders, I hope you're listening.
All right, traders. So again, each of you have a 25K sprint account, and the rules are pretty simple, right? First goal is to hit a 2% profit target and get funded on this account. Now, you will have 2 hours to be able to do that, okay? And then once you get funded, go ahead, build your profits, and whenever you're ready to secure your payout or requested payout, go for it. The first trader to do that will receive double the payout, and of course, there is a 1% static drawdown on this account. And other than that, we just say you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Okay.
Now, before we get started, we do want to count down. So let's hit the countdown.
Yeah, the beat go uns.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. What does that mean? That the timer is on. You guys, today I am the timer. So you'll be able to see the time in here. So I have access to the time, you guys. It's 2 hours. Let's go.
2 hours. Let's go. You guys are welcome to do your thing.
Do your thing. Okay. Well, Rhea, what do you think? We should start with talking straight away to the traders, maybe when they are still, or just give them time. What do you think? What should we do to give them time to start, or just go straight away and talk to them? What do you think?
No, I think we can go ahead and we can give them a second to kind of get started. But, I'm kind of thinking about, what's going on in the market. I'm thinking, I'm like, didn't we just have an FOMC event this week? Did we have that already?
We did indeed. Yeah. And gold melted, and then gold, reversed. And then what's going on with oil? We're pumping. And then there's all indices, there's crazy things going on. So volatility is definitely on the trader's side. So yeah, I mean, I'm interested to see what is it that they're going to trade. So yeah, we'll see. We just need to go and ask them. So what do you think? Who should we start with, Rhea? That's your choice.
Oh, who do we start with? Oh my goodness. I guess we can go in the order in which we introduce them, right? So we can start with Kevin and see what he's looking at today.
Okay.
Currently watching sales for Bitcoin.
Ooh,
Sales on Bitcoin. Okay. Crypto.
And I'm also watching buys for gold right now. I'm just waiting for my zone to validate.
Oh, buys for gold. Don't you feel like it's a bit of falling knife there? You're trying to catch a falling knife?
Currently pumping good. We will see.
Yeah. Okay. We will see. Kevin, what is it that you normally trade? Because obviously, maybe you're coming today with completely different outlook on this, because this is sprint to cash. This is, like Rhea said, this is trading under the pressure. So
I mostly trade the turbo counts. The big ones. Okay.
Right. So this is like a new thing for you.
Small capital, and I need to trade good now. And safe.
Okay. So this is going to be interesting. Rhea, what do you think?
What do I think about gold? I mean,
Mhm.
I'm really just kind of paying attention to what price action is doing right now. So is it going to keep falling, or is it going to, kind of reject off of this current zone that it's at right now? So I'm curious to see.
I'm the same. I do believe it's a falling knife though. So maybe some of the traders have already
Yeah.
caught some trades. So okay, well, Kevin, all the best to you. Keep the focus.
Thank you,
We'll
thank you.
come back to you all the time. We'll come and disturb you. So
Perfect.
be ready. Trading under the pressure. Okay. Right. Who's our next trader? I already forgot the order, Rhea. Remind me, please.
I know. So we had Kevin. I think we met Prash.
Yes, we did.
Prashant.
We did. Okay. Right. Hello. I don't see any trades. What's happening? What do you think you're going to
Not
do?
yet.
What's your approach?
Well, I'm trying to short some Euro USD and maybe some buys on USD JPY.
Oh, okay. So Forex currencies.
Yes.
Yeah. See,
Do you think
like
do you think
that.
there's going to be enough volatility?
Sorry?
Do you think there's going to be enough volatility for Forex pairs? Because sometimes that's at least what me and Rhea have seen so far, is that traders try to trade something that's more volatile, like gold or Bitcoin, indices. So, because like Forex is sometimes calm, So it's like, do you think there's going to be enough volatility for you to catch the moves?
I have some special micro time windows. So during that time, I do find the market volatile. So let's hope for the best.
Okay. Right. Okay. Well, I wish you all the best. We are going to come back to you, and hopefully you will be able to spot some opportunities. Actually, before we leave, Ray, I'm really super curious to ask. So what time frame are you going to look at on your, obviously, because this is sprint to cash, it's fast. And I see that you're currently looking at 15 minutes. Do you think you're going to go lower?
Yeah, if I have to, I will go lower, but I'm not planning to because I find my buy correct most of the times during 50 minutes. So let's see.
Right. Okay. Well, we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Yeah, we do.
Right. Adnan. We have a trade. We have a trade, Rhea.
Yes.
We have a first trade.
First trade is always the
Okay.
exciting trade. First and the last.
I know.
Always very
It's
exciting.
always good to see trades open and that movement for sure. So
Now Adnan likes
gold.
to trade gold. It's his favorite asset to trade. So I'm kind of curious to see what his bias is. We had one say buy. Kevin's looking for a buy.
Falling knife. Catching falling knife, eh?
Yeah.
Let's see if it's gonna work. It is in a little plus now, so that's really good to see. It's always good to see price moving in your direction, right?
Absolutely.
I feel like gold a little stopped. So it's like, it's almost like now just trying to...
Ria?
Yeah.
Yes, we can hear you.
Please, there is some below my chart that is something appeared over here, an extra chart. It's not going away. It's making some
so
kind of disturbance for me.
No. You need to click on the trade because now you're on exposure. So you need to click on the trade. It's at the left corner.
Right, the chart right here in the white color, the depth market on the right side of the MT5 screen. It is appearing, yeah, right here, the right one.
I'm not sure I understand what is it that you want to ask. Can you just reword?
Can you see my screen?
Yes. Yeah, we can, and we see that you're buying gold now.
Okay, there is a chart of the gold in the black of the background. Okay, just on the side of there you will see the depth of the market of the gold in the white color, the red and blue lines.
I'm not sure, like
Can you?
looking at the charts, what is it that you want to do?
I want to make it disappear. It's not. It's basically coming in front of the chart, making some kind of the disturbance.
Well, we
Oh,
can't see
so
it. The
there's
only thing that we can see is the MT5.
are you, is he talking about the two charts that are on top of each other, Anna? Maybe like the gold chart
Yeah.
and the British pound USD.
No,
Is
no,
that
there are
it?
the two charts you are looking. The one is the GBP USD, the second is the XAU USD. Both have the same pattern. Okay, exactly on the right of the chart is a window appeared on my screen. It is the depth of the market of the gold. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it is not disappearing. I don't know what the hell is going on with it.
So maybe it is in your settings. So as a trader, I expect that you know how to use MT5. So you probably need to go on your properties and you need to, when you click your mouse right button, and then you will go into properties, and then you can customize the way you see your charts.
Okay.
And then you will be able to, for example, it's going to like, there's going to be common show in colors, and then you will be able to set it up. So while you're trying to figure that out, we are going to go and see how traders are doing, because gold is not going
Yeah.
well now, Rhea. So I think we need to check in with Kevin.
Yeah, Kevin.
Got in at Bitcoin short.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's gonna fall down. I think it's just a manipulation up, and we continue down. I
Right.
can show you.
Did you manage to take the trade as well?
Yeah, I'm in right now.
Okay.
I'm just doing this candle.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So tight
This is
stop loss and hope
Bitcoin,
for
right?
a big move. Yeah, this is Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Can you share your risk with us? How much are you going to lose if your stop loss is hit?
Risking is 60 right now, I think. Wait,
$60. Okay, that's
70
very
right now.
that's good.
70
Okay,
right
that's
now.
all right. So you're giving yourself 4 chances. Okay, that's good.
Yeah,
That's good. Right.
I
Okay.
think it's gonna
Well,
be very volatile right now, so we can see.
yeah, for sure. So need to be careful. So are you still thinking to buy gold?
Watching it. I have
You're
like a level right there.
Mm-hmm. It is still falling. It's
Yeah.
going lower.
Not good, doing good right now.
Yeah, it is. It is going lower.
No,
Well,
this is down, so we will see.
mm-hmm. Okay, this is like you need a confirmation, a nice rejection, a confirmation, and then maybe gold is gonna start to pick up something in there. But
Maybe
like
a
to me,
retest
it
and
looks
then
like
we
the
fly.
gold. Like to me, it looks bearish, but don't listen to me. You know, like you trade your own plan, right?
Yeah.
You know, I'm with Anna, but like she said,
Trade your own for
we
sure.
try
We're not
we
gonna-
try not to give our input, but sometimes it comes out.
Okay.
All okay.
Great.
All okay.
Let's try and check in with our traders.
Chuol.
Yes,
How's it
please.
going?
Everything is going well.
Everything is well. I see that you're waiting. You're being patient and you're sitting on your hands
Yeah.
and waiting.
Yes. So I'm
Okay, good.
expecting gold. You see that setup that I marked there up because I'm
Mhm.
supply and demand
Yes.
trader.
Yep.
I'm waiting for gold maybe to come back into this upper zone. Then I take a sell or let it
Mhm.
come down here on this demand zone. Maybe I can take a buy.
Okay. Okay, gotcha. This is discipline, Rhea, isn't it? This is discipline for
is.
sure. Yeah.
Very much
Okay.
so.
Mm-hmm. Right.
You
So,
know?
and you're only trading gold, right? You're not going to trade anything else. You're just looking at gold.
Yeah, supply and demand strategy. It is a pair that always work with a trend of the market.
Yeah.
So it is very hard to go and look for other payers because you see the market is just consolidating, creating sideways. So at least gold is trying maybe to, in 1 hour time frame, is trying to pick some momentum for a buy.
Mhm.
And I think I would have been in trade right now if I did wait for it for so long. I could fast the account. I lost like this good setup and they are all in profit, but I didn't take them because I was trying to follow the rules of the challenge. Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to wait. We're going to sit on the hands and wait. So this is going to be discipline here. All right.
Yeah. Now,
Okay.
this would have been my bias too. You know, I
Mhm.
was already envisioning myself doing the same thing, waiting for that retest and then entering for a sell. But, you know, we'll see.
Yeah, I think I'm the same. Rhea, we're on the same page today. Let's see how that's going to go. Right. Okay. Let's see if Adnan managed to. Right. Changed bias. Sold. Didn't hold the bias. Sold that. Adnan, what made you change your bias?
Well, I think that the bias is not changed yet.
Was bullish, closed, and now bearish. You're very close to breaching your 1% limit. And I see no stop loss. This is like a red flag. No stop loss. Okay, we're very, very close to breach account. We have $13 left. If gold keeps on pushing, you're going to breach your account. Okay, maybe Rhea, this is our opportunity to speak about second chances.
It is. So we've got some exciting news for all of you traders, and that is each of you gets a chance to reset. All right. So if you do hit that 1%, you know, breach
drawdown limit.
My brain is not working today. My brain's not working.
It's all right.
If you hit the drawdown limit, you will get a second chance because we believe in second chances, right, Anna?
For sure we do. So if you catch the bad move and your bias was wrong and you just maybe over risk, then it's all right because you all get a second chance. So you can figure out, and this is also like maybe strategy in here, and maybe we can ask traders what is it they want to do with this opportunity. So let's see what the traders are up for. So you guys, now that you know that you have two accounts and you have that second opportunity, what do you think? You're going to be maybe more aggressive?
Maybe we'll see. Not much happening right now.
Not much happening. Okay.
I kind of caught the buy on gold, but I'm staying patient.
Okay.
Continuing with good risk.
Right. Okay. We see really good discipline here today, Rhea. Like these four traders are amazing. Absolutely amazing, you guys. Gold is in really interesting place now. I'm looking at the charts and it's like in really interesting area where it's either it could turn. So it's really, really interesting to see if we're going to keep on pushing higher or the gold is not going to turn. So this is going to be interesting to see. Let's quickly check. Maybe on Kevin. Where is Kevin? Okay.
In gold buys, closed half my position on 24 and in drawdown on the Bitcoin right now.
Okay. So what is your equity currently then? Your balance, because you took the profit on gold.
I'm still in profit. I have 04 in gold.
Okay.
Targeting 36 with the rest.
Okay, right. Let's see what Chuol has to do. Maybe waiting for that sell opportunity now. Yes. What happened?
Honestly, it hit my stop loss successfully, but at least it was a little risk, around $30.
Yeah. a very, very small risk. So definitely.
Yeah.
So do you think you're going to try to sell again because it's still rejecting that area? Do you think you're going to attempt a second sell?
Honestly, that's what I'm waiting for.
Okay. Okay. Gotcha. Such a disciplined Rhea. It's amazing to see traders being so disciplined and acting on their plan. It's really, really good, even under the
Yes.
pressure, right? Yeah.
Right. Discipline and maintaining their composure. But it's always easy to do that, you know, when the clock is first starting, things kind of change a little bit once you notice you're running out of time. So, but yes.
Yeah. But it's still, you know, we just started. There's plenty of time. Let's not, you know, let's not get stressed. Plenty of time there. I'm actually really curious to see. So Prash, I think it was Prash. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, you guys. You're testing my pronunciation today. I actually want to see if there's any volatility on the forex, right? So on the currencies.
Yeah.
So it looks like it's picking
Really?
up for you.
Well, I'm waiting for the setup to unfold. So let's see. It's a waiting game now.
Okay,
See,
waiting
I'm
game
like
now.
I'm like Prash. I'm more of a forex pair trader than I am metals or indices, but that's because I'm a swing trader primarily. So it's really nice to see someone trading forex pairs for a change, you know, because that's not common when we get together with traders.
Sure, yeah. But so we
Yes.
have something in common.
We do. I love that.
Oh my, we need to see. We need to see. I don't know. I'm like looking at the GU and EU. It looks like bullishness is there for sure, right? Looks like bullish pressure is there, but it's like, is it gonna stop or not? Like, yeah, you need to wait and see, I guess.
Yeah,
need to
very
wait.
true. It's a tricky day today. Loads of data coming in, so it's a tricky day. Usually these days, when it's too much of data coming in, I skip the hour or so, or even a day. But today is the day where we need the volatility to have the spot in the live. So yeah, I figured that out. But still, let's see. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
You know, like normally I would say like saying like fingers crossed or hope. Those are not good words to use in trading. But sprint to cash is different. Exactly what you said. Like maybe it is good that there is this data coming and the volatility in there. And also, by the way, in sprint to cash, you can trade any news. So there's no restrictions whatsoever. And you can trade everything and you can try and grab this volatility and hopefully it's going to work in your favor. So just as you said, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed.
Well, either you
Fingers
earn or either you learn. So why not?
Yeah, either you learn or you earn. Yeah.
Either way.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that idea, you know, but that's good because even if you learn, you're still earning something. You're earning
Or you're losing
knowledge.
something, you know. So it's like take a lesson with the loss. So it's like it's fine as long as you learn. It's good. Right. Okay.
Absolutely.
Let's check in with our traders. Okay. Did you manage to survive that push and never breached accounts? Yay. We're still, Rhea, we're still on the first account. Well done, you. This is amazing.
Very good.
Really, really good.
That was
So now
close.
just need to, it was close for sure. It was.
Is there anyone
just-
who just have done his evaluation phase?
Sorry, say again.
I said, is there anyone from the clients who have performed his evaluation phase? He succeeded? Anyone?
Yes, of course. But this is sprint to cash, obviously. And last time, as we said, there was a trader, Ricardo, who got funded and
No,
also got
right now.
payout. Oh,
I
right now?
said-
No,
I said
no.
right now.
No. Right
No
now,
one's gotten
no.
funded yet.
No. You still have
Okay.
time. Don't worry.
You have plenty of
I
time.
can see
Adnan.
a hammer and a confirmation candle in the gold. I can see it down. I hope so. It will work. I can see a shooting star, inverted hammer.
Mm-hmm.
in the 1 minute time frame. It's you can see my stop loss. I think there is a resistance, some kind of in 1 minute, and it seems to be a stronger resistance, and it is
Mm-hmm.
getting stronger. The resistance is broken. The bias of the gold will be changed. So
Mm-hmm.
I am sitting in a sell.
Yeah.
Right now, the top pin bar candle, that is the shooting star, you can see, and the second next most candle from it is confirming that the trend of market can continue to the downward, maybe 4600 or 4593, or the clear
Mm-hmm.
value gap level 4585. But
Mm-hmm.
as soon as 4626 is broken, the bias of the gold will be changed to the bullish. That is what I am looking for. I hope
I
so.
love this
My
analysis.
strategy will work. That is why I'm sitting myself.
Mm-hmm. Right. This is really good. I think me and Rhea were both as well more bearish. So let's see if gold
Mhm.
is going to push lower. And I also love where your stop loss is. I think it's in a perfect place. And you for sure also have a lot of experience trading gold because that's like your main pair, your main asset. So it's going to be interesting to see how the gold is going to treat you today. Is it going to work or not? I'm interested to see if Chuol actually entered sales.
Mhm.
Yes. Oh, and it's coming for stop loss. What a moment.
Yeah.
It's
I don't
okay.
know the days how it's going. I really don't know, but we are praying that
It's
we
okay.
will get
We
most good setup.
we need to do the breathing exercises today, you know? Here, just calm down, breathe in and breathe out. Everything is all right. So
The
just
good
stay
thing is
calm.
that I'm just testing the market. So what I did is that I'm risking little, and then I
Mhm.
see when I see the good moment, then I jump in.
Okay. And also on time, we're still plenty of time here. So no pressure just yet. I mean, pressure, but no pressure, you know, like, you know what I mean? So it's going to be interesting to see how the gold is going to behave. And Rhea, you know what? We have two traders selling gold and one trader buying gold. So who's going to win?
Yes.
Who
I have
knows?
no idea. But it's funny because I was thinking about how we had that same thing happen last week, right? Where
Mhm.
we had two traders neck and neck, both doing the complete opposite of each other, you know?
Yeah.
So I wonder, like when two traders take the opposite positions like that, what should viewers understand about that? Like I
Mm.
guess where does someone's edge come from? Like their process, or like when I think about two people trading against each other, I wonder if that at any point in time tempts them to change their mind, or will they stick to their original plan based off their own process?
I mean, these are valid questions. And to be honest, this is something that we do not only in Sprint to Cash, but overall. If you're in different communities, for example, our Discord community, we have an amazing Discord community. And I see traders chat, and says like, hey, gold is going to go up. And someone says gold is going to go down. And their analysis, opposite. But then we sometimes laugh it off and we say, you know what? There's a situation where actually both of you can still win, right? But the
Yes.
main important thing is, and this is something, like we need to just say all the time is that important thing is that you follow your plan and you just follow your processes, not someone else's. So basically, just because Anna's saying gold is going to go up and Rhea is saying gold is going to go down, doesn't mean you need to listen to, to that. You need to listen to yourself. You need to listen and follow your plan. So yeah, it's going to be
Mhm.
interesting. Rhea, I'm actually interested if Kevin exited the gold buys because maybe it is now in that place where gold is kind of being really indecisive. So maybe we can check in with Kevin and to see what decision he made.
Just added one more buy, but I think it's maybe going straight to stop loss. We will see.
Oh,
But
oh,
I'm $80 up in profit in Bitcoin right now, so it's
mhm.
okay.
So it breaks even now. Yeah, so it breaks even.
Yeah,
You're
I
at
added one more
20.
buy right now at 19, I
Yeah.
think.
Okay.
But I think it's
Well,
going straight for stop loss.
Looks like
will
it.
see.
Well, it's all
We
right.
will
Maybe
see.
you will change your bias. We need to
Bitcoin
check
is going good, so
Bitcoin is good. Bitcoin is giving you a really good
good
push
push down
down,
now.
exactly what you need. Gold is
Showing
being
you
a
a lot of
little
love.
nasty. Gold is being a little nasty. Okay, let's see. We do have a trade. We have a trade. Oh no, it's a sell limit. I got excited. I thought you were into trade, but then I was like, it's only a sell limit. It's all right. I got excited for nothing. Okay. Can you maybe walk us through why did you set your limit exactly in there?
Yes. I just placed the sell limit because I use Fibonacci, and now the window where the volatility increases had just begun, and then I have a fair value gap up there, so I have all the bearish biasness, and if my stop losses get hit, then my bias would be wrong. So let's see.
Can
It's
I
in the
see where your
midpoint.
stop loss is? Is it above those wicks there?
Pardon? Aye. See.
Oh, is it? Okay. Right. Well, I mean, it's a good place. It's a good place where to place that trade for sure. It's just that bullish pressure feels a little too much.
Yeah, but the day looks bullish, and since it's a quarter of year, so they do all the clearing as well. So all the 4 months, it was bearish. So, but since they're clearing now, so let's see and since it's the end of the month too, so it's really tricky day today.
Tricky day for sure. And also, maybe do you use something like round numbers, because those are like psychological levels in the market? And when I look at the Euro USD now, it's actually at that round number, like 1.17. So this is like something that we call in like a psychological number. Do you think they also have effect in your analysis, or you don't look at them?
Well, it's not my top priority, but yeah, I do check them sometimes. But let's see.
Yeah, let's see. You're very, very close to getting triggered in the trade. So we wish you. Yes, we are in the trade, Rhea. We have also Forex position open now. Okay, right. Well, stay calm. Breathing exercises. You can breathe in, breathe out. It's great. We need to start some breathing exercises so traders can calm down, right? So it looks good. Good reaction there. And hopefully maybe on smaller time frames, like 1 minute, you can follow the price action and see if we are now turning bearish and if there is a change in price action, because now it triggered beautifully. So now we just need to see some rejection. Okay, hopefully we'll see some. Right, let's check in with our traders for trading gold. Rhea. Okay, gold didn't work.
Take a look.
Okay. Right, so this account is breached, but not to worry. You have another account that you can use. And this is your second chance. This is your second chance to come back and show that things can turn around. So do you have access to your logins? You should have access to your login credentials. And you should be able to log in.
Let me see.
Okay, right. So while you're logging in, we are going to check on Kevin, who was buying gold. Let's see if he managed to maybe survive. Did you survive? You did.
Profit on both, so we will see.
Profit on both. Okay, let's go. It's like.
But I placed one trade on my phone, like it's not showing up on here. Is that just I need to reload the page maybe, or?
I don't know. You sure you're in the right account also? But I just want to say this one thing while it's in my mind. Your stop loss literally got kissed there, okay?
Yeah, I know.
It got kissed and then the price just went in the way that you needed. So well done on that. Or maybe how sometimes I laugh for traders and that was luck, but maybe it's just a skill, you know exactly where to put that stop loss. So that's definitely a skill. Yeah, it's
demand box with the liquidity taken out, and then I just place the stop loss right under the candles if they close over. So I've
yeah.
backtested this many times. So
Well, you have the data. Really, really good to hear. So, Rhea, we were both wrong. We said we're more bearish, but look what the price did. Price just went bullish. So we were both wrong. Okay, well, Kevin, stick in there. You're doing great. Also, your Bitcoin trade is doing amazing. So hopefully it goes in the direction for you.
I hope so.
I
hope so.
Yay. We're going to check with the traders who sold gold now. Okay, how is the sales going? Not too good, eh? Not too good. Pushing. Kevin is doing a happy dance now while here we're...
And I commend him. I commend him for sitting on his hands when price came so close to his stop loss, because a lot of times when that happens, we get tempted to just manually take ourselves out of the trade. I don't know about you, Anna, but if I see price getting that close to my stop loss, sometimes I'm like, oh, you know. So for him to just let it play out, that's beautiful.
Yeah. Chuol, I want to ask you, do you going to change your bias if it does go through your stop loss and then it's going to go bullish? Do you think you're going to change your bias?
Honestly, as I see it right now, if it breaks that down, it means that the market is becoming bullish. But I trade as a swing trader. I first go to those bigger time frame. I see the market the way it is going. So now it hit my stop loss, but still it haven't.
Yeah, we heard that. That sound.
Honestly,
that sound.
I don't know. You see, the market goes take me out, and then it comes back. I don't know what's happening. Let me give it.
It's okay.
I don't know.
Just need to keep the focus. It's okay.
Yeah,
and then maybe just wait, because you also you used a smaller risk, so you're $120 down and you have another like $120 left. So, and also just remember that you have a second chance, so you have another account that you can use. So yeah, don't be discouraged at all. Stop losses happen, and it's just part of the trading. You're doing great. You're doing great. Okay, right. Let's see where the Prash, maybe the price is going. Oh no, it's not going. Rhea, it's not going.
We can't control something, Anna. Let's see.
Oh, it's all right. It's all right. It just looks so bullish. I'm not gonna try and even pretend to see that I see bearishness in there. It's just bullish. So would be nice to see some bearish closure.
Let's see.
But if that's going to happen, I'm not sure. So you only have one trade on Euro USD. You didn't put a limit order on GU?
No.
No, so only one trade. Okay. Right.
No.
What is your risk in that? Are you going all in on one position?
Almost 2%.
Almost 2%. Your drawdown is 1% though, okay?
Almost half a percent. More than half a percent.
Okay. I was like, no, don't go 2% when you only have 1%. It's really important. My goodness. Right. Okay. So hopefully we see some bearishness. Let's cross those fingers. Maybe toes as well. You know, let's cross everything what we can so the price goes down. I don't think that's helping though, you know, like these silly things that we do. Okay, Rhea, I have a question for you. What is the silliest thing you have done as a trader? Just shoot. Just tell us the truth. And we can ask all the questions. Like we can ask the same question to all the traders. So you go first.
Okay, so the silliest thing I've ever done as a trader is married the trade. Okay, so okay, so and I learned this very early on in my trading career, but I took a signal, right? And this is why, Anna, when we talk about our own analysis is so important. because I took a signal. This was back when I used to take signals. I took a signal and I didn't really understand why I was taking the signal. I was just taking the signal because I trusted the expert, and I put a huge lot size on it. And when I saw that it wasn't going in my direction, I was just like, well, I'm just going to stay in,
Yeah.
And I married the trade. So there are two things there that I feel like were the silliest things I've done. Number one, I didn't dare to, enter the trade because I was in agreement on the analysis. I just took the trade because it was what someone else said, instead of me also confirming for myself and feeling good about it, but also holding on to a trade that clearly just wasn't going in my direction. I think that's the silliest thing I've ever done as a trader.
That is silly. That is silly. And you know what? You're not the only one. I think we all have done that, where we marry our bias and we just stick to it and stick and stick. And obviously when you take even bigger risk on it, that's even more sore. Like you're just heartbroken that you did that. And then, you need to have a really good conversation with yourself later on. So, but have I done that? Yeah, I have. So it's okay. We both have made that silly mistake. So it's all good. Okay. I'm curious to see. I mean, we need to ask this question to all the traders, I think.
Yeah, we should.
We should. Right. Let's see. We have second account here, and we are selling again gold. Attempting gold sells again. I actually like this trade. I'm not going to lie here. I really do. And I think this is still a good opportunity here. Maybe your risk is a little high on this. What risk did you use for this trade?
Yeah, actually, I think it must come down to fill the value gap.
On what time frame? 1 minute.
No, not in the 15-minute time frame.
Okay. What is the risk that you took on this trade? Because it's just, did you try to risk 1% again?
What did you just say? Please say
Is it
again.
1%? Did you use 1% on this trade? Because like currently you're like minus $40, but there's still plenty of space for the price to go higher. So what is your risk on the trade if you're going to hit the stop loss? How much you're going to lose?
Yeah, actually, it is 1:2 ratio, risk reward. I think
Yeah.
so.
It's risk to reward, but how much the risk? How much did you risk with? If you're going to lose, what's going to be your loss? Did you risk with the whole 1% again?
Okay, we are in profits, I think so. We are not in loss right now.
Okay. You're just avoiding my question when I'm asking like how much is your stop loss? It's like, okay, don't say, but it looks like, it looks good. Also, just make sure if you're using bigger lot size, this is what we actually saw last time happen. Just make sure your profit is not too low, because you only need 2%, right? You need $500. And once you have $500 in profit, then you have passed this phase and you are funded trader. So make sure your profit is not too low, because you are risking quite a lot on this trade. So hopefully it goes in your direction.
Yeah, I think
and it's
so.
Looking good.
I hope so.
Yeah, it's looking really, really good. Okay, let's see with Kevin, because gold is now falling.
Yeah,
Kevin, how are you holding on?
Break even.
Break even. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it wouldn't close over this big candle. So then I just put break even, and it's just not going anywhere. So I just want to save my capital, really.
Well done.
Then I hit break even on Bitcoin as well after TP1.
Okay.
So I closed down and I hit break even.
Yeah. So you are in a little bit of a profit here. So that's good. Do you think you're going to change your bias for gold now?
Not really.
No, okay.
Until I'm proven wrong, I will maybe.
Okay.
I have
Well,
I have still an entry down here, and waiting to
yeah.
go to 236.
Right. Okay.
So
Well,
we will see.
we will see for sure. We'll check in with you in a moment. So
Perfect.
let's see with Chuol. There we go. Hey, how is things for you? You're not sharing your screen with us, so please share the screen so we can see how things are going for you.
Sorry, my Wi-Fi got disconnected, so I never
That's
knew
all
that
right.
it's connected.
That's all right. As traders, we are prepared. Last time someone lost electricity, Rhea, remember? Someone lost electricity in the middle of the sprint to cash. And that was a bit of a disaster for sure. Okay.
It happens.
Honestly.
Oh, we've got a little bit of bearish movement.
You see now it's playing out when I'm out.
Yes, it's playing out when you're out. This is heartbreaking to hear. It's like for traders, this is like the worst thing that we can hear. Oh my.
See, I still had my bearish bias, Anna. Even
Hey,
when
Rhea, we were right. We were right. So
you see this setup, I was waiting for it.
Oh, for GU, beautifully bullish. Yeah. Beautifully bullish. Yeah.
I waited for it. That time when you were saying that we're supposed to wait for Kevin, I was eager to enter, but I can't break the rules, and boom, it play out.
Yeah. This is good. Do you think you're going back to gold? Do you think you will be able to take some sells once that previous low is taken?
Not really, because
not really.
I need some confirmation. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And
okay.
I'm just trying to recover from what I've just lost. So I may not lose opportunity, but at least I have to maintain the discipline so that I can be able to end up with a good energy, and also to learn something, because it's not only trading, but it's also learning, becoming be better version of ourselves. So
yes,
we are not fighting for the funded account, but we are learning through it.
Yeah, learning through this. Okay. Well, it's going to be interesting to see what are you going to decide, how you're going to approach this. Let's quickly check in with Adnan. Okay, we have nice profit. Rhea, our bias are working.
Very nice.
Really good. Really good profit there. Okay. Gold is really pushing nicely down. So now we just need to see if it's going to be enough. If it's going to be enough of bearish pressure there. Which actually looks all right. Okay. Really nicely pushing down. We'll check in a little later. Let's see our Forex trade. I see some bearish closures. It's looking good. Bearish closure is good.
Yeah, we want to bearish.
It is. I see that you have moved your take profit. So
it's not working, so I want to break even.
I
just want out.
Yeah. Just want out as it's not working. That's really good. That's really good plan. So I really hope that there is going to be enough that bearish pressure. I do like that now we have the bearish closure, which is really good. And it's coming right before that resistance there. So there is some hope. There is some hope for sure. So it is working in your direction.
I have a bearish SMT in the dollar index. So it's a long way to go. So I hope I'll break even. So let's see.
Okay. You're going to change your bias after you break even, or you're still going to try and short?
Now, after EU takes 4 hours liquidity, I'll look for another short. So
yeah.
Let's see. Okay. I think I jumped too early.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. I actually love this now. Like I think it's a good setup. I would just keep it open and stay in.
Yeah,
But it's your call. It's your call.
Almost break even. Yeah, I see you're
Okay.
lucky for me.
That's it, right? That's it. Right. Hopefully it hits your break-even profit. I would just keep it open, like it's going your direction. Like
Let's see. It's just
But-
coming down because there is a big gap in dollar index. I think it's going to fill that up, so it needs to go down for EU. But let's see.
yeah.
Mm,
Okay.
interesting
let's
analysis.
see. I know, but this is actually what I've heard many traders do, especially the ones who trade EU. It's like if you trade EU, then you are looking also at the
dollar index.
at the yes, exactly.
Yep.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Almost. Yep.
Almost there. Almost there. It's coming down. It's coming down. Right. Good job.
So is gold.
So is gold.
little
Yeah.
Very erratic today, so especially
It
EU. It's very, very erratic.
Mm.
Mm.
But I guess that's what traders we do. We just adapt, right? We
True,
need to
true.
adapt. And this is
Yeah,
definitely teaching you how to adapt. Yeah.
You know,
Right.
and they
Okay.
just
We
made
will
me
come
think
back to you. We'll come back to you in a second. Yes, Rhea. What was it? Your thoughts? Sorry, I put you off.
No, it's okay. It just made me think about something that Adnan shared, when we were watching his his video, right? Getting to know him as a trader. One of the things he said was, it's all about just taking what the market can give me. It's not always going to be the same. Some days, are more volatile than others. Market structure is going to do what it does. Price does what it does.
Yep.
And that's where that adaptability comes in is I think you really know you've grown as a trader, like you've matured as a trader when you get to that point where it no longer phases you if price action isn't doing what you originally thought it was doing, and you learn how to switch gears. I think that's just a beautiful place to be in your trading journey.
That truly is. Just take what you can. And also, Ray, actually, that reminds me that we are almost halfway through. Almost. Okay. So if it's going to zoom in, so it's 49:57. So almost at 50 minutes. So 10 minutes left until we are 1 hour. So we are going to be in this for 1 hour. So I am curious to see what is Kevin doing? Did he change his bias, or he's trying to Kevin? You're still trying to buy, eh?
Yeah, if it's closing good,
I mean,
maybe entering again. I just hit break even with my second.
A buy is still possible.
My zone is still doing very well, so we will see.
Okay. Look at gold. It does have some support in there. So there's definitely some zone, because look how we are reacting from it at all times. So if Kevin, did you actually took the trade? Can you please share your MT5 so we can see that did you took the trade?
Yeah.
Okay, you are in the trade.
After I hit break even, I hit one. After a 5-minute close, but it went straight down. But my stop loss got kissed again, so we're good.
Got kissed again. Okay, well, we need to give you some nickname, Kevin the Kisser. So just like your stop loss, but it's okay. It's not it's not a luck, right? It's a skill.
50.
50% luck, 50% skill. Yeah, I like that. So, but no, gold is doing something in there. So that's definitely really interesting area in there. Kevin, maybe can you just walk us through again? Why are you so convinced that that's area where the gold is going to bounce?
I have 1 hour, what's it called? Demand zone. And then I have a fib zone right here. Like now it's pumping good. We're back in profit. And I used these fibs And if I see a good close or reaction, like this candle, I try to enter.
Okay, working really well.
If we're still like in uptrend, with higher lows and higher highs. I want to target all the way up there, but I don't think we will get there in time.
In time, like you mean in these 2 hours, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So for now, I'm just targeting 36 as my original.
So what about your risk? Are you trying to increase maybe your risk because you do have a target to achieve, which is $500?
I know.
Oh.
So
Pressure? No pressure.
yeah, kinda. Just didn't want to blow it all the way.
Oh my goodness. I feel sorry
You still have a
for
reset,
traders.
right?
Like,
Huh?
Rhea, what did you
So we
say?
still have reset though, right?
We do have a reset.
No one's used the
Kevin
reset.
hasn't used it. Adnan used the reset.
Yeah, no one's used. Oh, he did. Okay.
Yeah. So Kevin is still good. He's even in a little profit, so that's good.
I don't like to break my rules, so I don't like to pull part in one trade.
Okay.
Beautiful. Wish I had a hand clap for that.
We're disciplined today, okay? We are disciplined. Disciplined traders. Let's go. We do have disciplined traders. Applause.
Yes.
Applause.
When you've been burned by not following your rules enough time, Kevin, I think you get to that point where you learn your lesson, hopefully.
Yeah. It's expensive.
It is.
It is. It's very expensive.
For sure.
Trust me,
I
know. Okay. Not just I think, like in losing capital expensive, but also I feel like sometimes losing time, right? Because sometimes we get on a hamster wheel of doing that, and we waste time where we could have been profitable if we just stick to it. And that's one thing we can't get back is our time.
That's right.
Okay. Well, Kevin, we'll check in with you in a little bit. Let's see. How is Forex going? Forex is not going. Teased you, and then it just pulled back. I feel guilty because I said, pull the TP lower. It's gonna go your way. You can blame me on this.
Ooh. High five, Prash, for following your own analysis. Pew.
High five. No, it's still all right, I guess.
Don't listen to us. We're just here to be the angel and the devil on your shoulder.
Yeah, we're definitely not helping sometimes, so we're sorry, but yeah. I mean, if there's still bearishness coming in now, because it's still at the resistance, so I think it's still all right. But that bullish pressure there for sure is there. It is there. What's your plan? You're just gonna wait and see?
Wait and see. Actually, I have to use a second account.
Oh, all right. It's all right. Second account is still a good option. Because everyone has that option. So, and you can choose it at any time. Anytime you feel like you need to use it. I think this is really important. Again, the 17,135 or 140, like this level here is important level. If it's gonna bounce from this, if there's gonna be reaction, then we could see more bearishness. If it goes through, then it goes through and it's going bullish. So need to wait and see. I like closure of bearishness. So we'll check in with you in a little while.
We'll see what happens.
Right, let's see. Gold. Back to Adnan. Let's see gold. Gold is pushing bullish. Kevin is doing a happy dance a while. Here we're thinking if gold is going to go down or not. Again, gold is at the same level, right? The same really crucial level.
Sitting.
Yeah. it's like back up and down, back up and down. All the traders needed to do was just sell and buy, sell and buy. Right? I wish it was that simple, but it's not. I wish it was simple, but it's not, Rhea. It's not. It's not simple at all. So
really
I think we never
not.
asked the traders about those silly mistakes, but maybe we can ask it later on. So we are very close to approaching halfway through. So we're going to be 1 hour in very, very soon. And yeah, what do you think, Rhea? In the next hour, are we going to see someone get funded?
I mean, it's very possible. I think it's very possible. I think anything's possible, Anna. So
yeah, like
absolutely.
in markets, you don't know. I feel like traders are very conservative on their risk today. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but like it feels Kevin is using smaller lot sizes. Adnan is using like a big lot size. Like he's definitely more aggressive, but then he's sitting in that one trade and it's just going up and down, up and down. It's not happening. Nothing is happening. And yeah, I don't know. It feels like risk. I want more risk. I don't know. Maybe I want more action. I don't know what it is, but like I feel like I want to see more action on this. Come on, traders, put some risk on.
It kind of makes me wonder too. You know, like it makes me wonder if is the decision to be more conservative on your trades coming from a place of, you know, strategy, you know, or is it coming from a place of I'm a little fearful, you know, I don't really fully trust or have confidence in, you know, my analysis. So maybe I should be a bit careful. You know, I think about that. I think about that. I wonder that, you know.
Yeah. But I think I'm sure we spoke about this already, but you know, when you come into sprint to cash, this is not just normal, let's say normal trading, right? This is trading under the pressure where you have time pressure. And that's really important thing. But we do trade New York session. There's a lot of volatility. Plus today there's news. So I think the way I would approach it, I probably would be more aggressive. And just because we also given the second opportunity to traders, right? Because we believe in traders. And we believe that they have, you know, it's good to have second opportunity. So I think if I would go in this, I would definitely be more aggressive on my risk side because like I want to get funded, you know, like I want to get funded to get that double payout, right? I do.
Yeah.
I don't know, like, who am I? Who am I? Why I'm so aggressive? Why I'm so aggressive on risk? Oh my goodness. It's so wrong. Oh my.
It's so cool. It's very interesting to see how everyone trades, you know, and the similarities traders have, you know, but also the differences they have. You know, for me, I give myself more wiggle room with a stop loss. Whereas I notice other traders make their stops tighter.
Tiny. I know.
You know, I'm usually looking for a little bit more room, but my reward, I'm also trying to shoot for just as of a great of a reward, you know, as well. So I don't know.
Okay. Right. Let's check in with traders. But before we do, I need to say that now we are 1 hour in. We are 1 hour in.
1 hour focused.
In. Yep. 1 hour in. Crazy. 1 hour is gone just like that. So halfway through. I don't remember when Ricardo, so who got funded and also double the payout, when did he got funded? I'm pretty sure it was like in the second part of the second hour. Yeah.
Yes. So he was funded at least 30 minutes before the clock ended. Yeah.
Yeah.
So he had those last 30 minutes. He had those last 30 minutes to kind of trade and secure payout.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, traders, you have 1 hour left. There is one hour left, and hopefully you use the hour wisely. Maybe it's time to increase the risk. Maybe it's time to choose your second opportunity, right? So it's going to be interesting to see. Rhea, what do you think? Are we going to see someone use second opportunity?
Oh, well, someone there. It's highly
Some
likely.
already did.
I mean,
Yes, I know. Some already definitely did, but it's all of them going to use the second opportunity. That's the question. You know, like again, I have to say, traders, I hope you're listening to me, but like maybe it's time to get aggressive and use your second opportunity just so we can see some action. But I don't know. Maybe it's not the time.
we'll see.
We'll see. All right. Okay. Let's see how is Kevin doing, because he was buying gold, kissed the stop, and now I see
Yes,
the stop is at break even.
and we have entered Bitcoin as well again.
Okay. Okay. And we
So
are
now
in the
I'm
profit.
fully
We're
in.
full in. Okay. So
Yes,
that
full in.
means, okay, if you hit your profits, that means you're passed, right?
No, not really.
No. Oh.
And I'm
So you
like
need to go more aggressive
300.
then.
No, I can't put in more money.
Okay. It's like,
I have
come on.
full port.
No, but you're doing good though. Almost $100 in profit. So, but obviously that's open equity.
Internet.
But I think you're doing really, really good. And gold is definitely going into your direction. But exactly at that place, which is 4,623, that's like rejection area in there. And gold
Yeah, that's
rejected
right.
there before. So
I hope
it's
it
just
pushes through.
stuck. But
we will see.
Yeah, we will see for
I
sure.
hope it pushes through too.
Okay.
That's a beautiful double bottom there. That nice area of support.
That's right.
Yeah, so it'd be nice.
Yeah. And
I saw it filled a little bit of a gap too that was formed. So
yep, it's looking good. Raya, we have to check in with Prash because Euro USD just went to the moon. Okay, so are we on our second chance?
I have to.
We are. Okay. So what is your approach in this one? What do you think you want to do?
Well, I'll wait for some opening since the Euro USD took the 4-hour liquidity. When it reverses, I'll take another trade.
Okay. We have a plan. It's good to have a plan in place for sure. It is good to have a plan. Right. So, okay, really bullish. Very, very bullish, this is. So that means DXY is falling down, right? Yeah.
Kind of, yeah. That's the idea.
Yeah. Euro USD now looks like it's a crypto pair. So Forex pair is looking like a crypto with all that push. It's insane. Crazy.
Shooting through the roof.
Wow.
It's going to be interesting to see. It's going to be interesting to see where it's going to go. Yeah. That was ugly. That should have been a buy, but shoulda, coulda, woulda doesn't count, right?
Yep.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda. That doesn't count for sure. Right. Let's see if we got maybe into
we got a
gold sales. Gold sales. What do you think? Again, it rejected that area really nice.
I don't know, Anna.
It's looking good for sales, no? I think Kevin is getting nervous now because gold is going down. Right. Are we going to see sell position here? That's my question. I'm waiting, Raya. I want to see. Nope.
I'm waiting too. I'm kind of, price has kind of just been hanging out underneath the same area, so it's like you said, it's ping pong.
It is.
I really don't know what is happening right now.
This is where it plays with your emotions.
With your
honestly,
your
what I know is that as a swing trader, sometimes I even take weeks without taking any trade if the market is not giving me what I want. So even if we finish the stream and I did a good thing, at least that I followed one step of my rules. But we shall become aggressive sometime to come right now.
I think like gold is almost like indecisive. Yes, there's a push up, there's a push down, but it's like we're almost indecisive, and it's just been moving in this range of from 4,625 to 4,609. So it's like that kind of range. We're stuck in there, and gold seems that it cannot get out of it.
Honestly, that's what is happening right now, and I don't know. I expected gold to be maybe a little bit bearish to come to certain demand and down there. Here, that's why I marked with a green line, but it's not coming. So we have to be looking at it.
Yeah, gold has a mind of its own today. It feels like it's just not following at all. But you know, we do get these days, and we just need to try and adapt to the markets to the best ability, you know. So but it's just, I think it's painful to sit in this and just watch this. For sure, when you have bias and it's just like not working out. So need to see and focus. Let's see Prash quickly, because Euro USD is pushing. Still bullish. Still so bullish.
Yeah, still bullish. It's all because Bank of Japan is dumping down US treasuries. I think so, but
yeah. I mean, on for those traders who trade GJ, used to be my favorite pair to trade in Forex, because it gives almost like a same volatility as gold. And you can see like today GJ was just wild, absolutely wild. There was like a fall down of like 600 pips or something, which is massive for Forex pairs. It's huge momentum, huge movement. So need to be patient in this one. So I'm really interested to see how you're going to approach this, because you still have 15 minutes left. So this is like your opportunity to take and decide what is it that you want to do. So again, we're like these little devils.
That makes me so mad, Anna, looking at GJ, because I had entered for a sell for GJ and I got stopped out.
Oh no. Oh no.
And I'm looking at this right now, and I'm like, you've got to be kidding me.
Yeah.
Don't you hate that feeling? This feeling when you're right on your analysis. You're right.
Market is ruthless sometimes, you know.
You know, it's just rip my heart out my chest. Why don't you? Look at all that money that could have been made.
Oh, there is a saying. This is what my husband all the time says: don't spend the money that you don't have. So it's like we could have made the money, but just don't spend it, because you know you don't have it. You don't have it. You could have, but you don't. So yeah, could have, woulda, shoulda doesn't count. So yeah, it's interesting. It's interesting for sure. Let's check in quickly.
I saw it.
Adnan, still kind of break even here, because gold is pushing up, pushing down. So we're still in the same place. Gold is looking more bullish now than bearish, but it's been like this all hour, really. It's just been like this all the time. Yeah, so break even, kind of break even. Let's quickly check in with Kevin. Kevin got stopped out. No, Kevin has more position.
Let's go.
Let's go.
No risk, no Rari.
No risk, no rewards, right? Those who don't risk don't drink champagne. There is a saying as well. So you need to risk. You need to risk for,
But it's
or
just
do
moving
something.
sideways right now.
Oh, risk it for the biscuit. Okay,
That's
there's a
right.
saying like that as well. So
So
gold
if
is
we
looking
hit
still bullish.
36, I think I'm good.
Mm.
I think
It's just we're getting short on time here. You have 48 minutes left to get funded and to trade your funded account to get that double payout. Okay. So again, Anna being like this little devil and like just whispering, "Give me more risk." It's like, give me more risk. Be more risk aware. No. You just do your thing because it's all right as long as you do your thing. Because gold is still, up, down, up, down. It's like no
That's
really
right.
direction. So it's just, it's playing a ping pong game today. For sure. Very big ping pong game there. Right. Okay. Right, Rhea. What do you do when the gold is behaving like this? What do you do? Do nothing?
I question whether or not I still want to trade gold. That was one thing that I was thinking. Like I know that here's the thing, we each have our assets that we like to trade, right? Some of us just trade one and that's perfectly fine, so it kind of stinks though, right? Because they're in the middle of a competition. So if gold is all they trade and gold is not giving them what they need today, then they're missing out on an opportunity. So that's when I start to think, is this that moment where you consider looking at a different asset to see if another asset can give you what you need? Or are we still going to keep our fingers crossed that, gold will give us what we need? So for me, I might look for a different asset, but
yeah.
I don't know.
Okay. Well, I think I spy a trade. I spy a new trade in here. Is there a buy on US 30? Exactly, Rhea, what you said. When you can't trade gold, you go to something else. So this is exactly what we're seeing here happen. We're going for a different asset. Quite aggressive, I would say, but all right. Quite aggressive, but still all right, the risk. Now, the question is where the stop loss is going to go. This is US 30, by the way. I call US 30 a beast. Like, that's how I see it. It's a beast of a pair. Like, it's crazy asset to trade.
It is.
Right, so we have almost $100 risk on this.
Yeah, sure.
Bad.
I mean, risk to reward is big on this.
Honestly, we don't know how it will play out, but let's pray that it works.
I don't like this bearishness. Oof. There's that wick there, on the left. It feels like it would be better to be lower that stop loss, but if it goes so bearish, then most likely you will be taken out. It's like now or never. And it's never, unfortunately. That sound. Oh, that C trader sound when the trade is hit, and especially when it's a stop loss. Not nice. It is what it is.
I wouldn't know because I don't use C trader, because in America we can't use C trader.
You can't use it. Yeah. It's a great platform. It is a great platform for sure.
Yeah.
So let's see if Chuol is going to find another opportunity. So maybe there's going to be another opportunity in there. Okay, we have a trader. Okay, Adnan. How is things for you? You disappeared.
Yeah, my internet connection was basically disconnected. I'm trying to connect it again.
Right. Well, your gold trade is going good because gold is now going down. So hopefully you held your trade, and we will check in with you once you share
I'm
your
pretty
screen.
damn good in that.
Yeah. Good. I love the confidence.
I know that.
I love the confidence.
Damn good. I was born good.
I love that. I was born good. Good. Okay. So yeah, trade is in positive. Gold is looking good. So now you just need to see and wait for more.
Very good.
For
But
bigger
I am
push
not
down.
going to cut in half. I'm not going to cut in half. I was trying to get the full move.
But your trade is looking good. Your entry is also really good. Just at that resistance level, what you caught there. So I think this
But
trade
the
is looking really, really good.
that as soon as 4611, it can trap us or it can go sideways or consolidate. 4611 and 4624, but either one side need to be broken.
Okay, we have some volatility coming in. I see that there's some
Yeah, there is a volume I
movement.
can see.
Yeah. So let's see. Let's see. Maybe Prash has taken a trade now. Yes, we have a trade actually. We do. And it is
Beautiful.
against sales on
Great.
EU.
Yep.
It is looking good.
Very good, man.
Not what I hoped for.
We just need to see more bearishness, and it's just not coming. It's like it's not happening.
Yeah.
It's really bullish.
Very true.
Yeah. Don't you want to change your bias? Because or you're trying to catch that move. Let's see how it goes. Did you only took it on Euro USD or you also entered on GU?
I don't have the flexibility now. It's just Euro USD.
Just Euro USD. Okay. Euro USD it is. So let's hope, which is not the best word to use in trading, but let's hope that Euro USD is going to go
this is
your
the last
direction.
line of defense. If my stop loss gets ticked out, now then I'll change my bias. It will be bullish.
Okay, so now or never. Okay, now or never. Okay. Well, let's wait and see. There was a big bullish push there, but now hopefully the next candles are going to go more bearish, and then we will be able to see how it goes. Rhea, we need to check in with Kevin quickly. Let's see if he was kissed again or were you stopped out.
We are going full risk now.
Full risk. Okay,
Yes,
we're going full
that's
risk
right.
now. Gold is going up. All right.
So I think I don't know where I have to go, but we will see. It's going fast now.
It's going.
Really
It's
fast.
going for sure. It is. It is turning. It is turning for sure. So just this is actually that level where it needs to break. Because
That's right.
if this doesn't break, it's gonna reject again, and it's just that ping pong thing. Like
And then I'm done.
we can't wait anymore. Like this, it just has to go. I
Then
don't
I'm
like
actually
how the
done.
candle closed. I really want it to close higher and like take that level with the proper break.
Exactly.
But it's almost like let's breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Come on, gold. Decide. What is this? It's like what
We haven't moved
indecision?
since we started.
Yeah. Yeah. Since we started
Exactly.
this,
We've stayed in the same zone.
Kevin, you should have been buying and selling. It's so
Yeah, I
easy.
need
Like,
to scale.
how come you didn't see this? It's like, come on.
I don't know.
Oh,
But
it's going down again.
Prash may have been taken out too.
Prash had been taken out as well. Okay. No,
I
not
wonder
yet.
if he was. Is he
No,
still in?
still in. Still holding for
Okay.
the
Almost
dear
there.
life. Almost there.
He said almost.
So
Prash got kissed too.
yeah, I would be
I
getting
need
out
to
and
change my
buying.
bias for today.
We need
Because
to
the
buy.
high
We
time
need to
frame
buy.
is changing already.
Oh my goodness. Where is your stop loss? Is it just far away from there? We can't see your stop loss. That's take profit. What number is your stop loss?
17385.
173. Oh, 84. So you still have 4 pips to go. Yeah, that's all right.
I think I'm gonna get stopped out.
I think so too. I think you should buy now because it's a clear break, but it's gonna feel as if you're buying on the high, and this is that thing where you just struggle because you're buying on the high.
True.
Because it's so bullish. But then looking left, there's definitely still place for price action to go higher and to reach that 17,500. So definitely plenty of of price action to go higher. So we will see. We will see.
I just keep hearing in my head, the trend is your friend. The trend is your
Trend
friend.
is your friend,
What
for
is it?
sure.
Yeah.
Friend is your friend. So let's wait and see if you're going to be stopped out and if you will be changing your bias. That's really
100%.
important.
If I get stopped out, I'll change my bias, but still,
Yeah.
I'll be buying in peak. So it's not a good place to be.
Yeah.
Not a good place to be mentally as well, I
Yeah.
guess, because it's just hard to think that I need to buy on the high. But reading 1 minute price action, we can see clear break. So now it's going to pull back. And then once it does, we will see if it's going to go higher or not. This is dangerous games. And while we're checking the Forex, let's quickly check the Chuol. Okay, this is a fresh account here now. Are you going to attempt to trade this account? Okay, we will check in a second. Okay, let's see, Adnan. See if we are still holding gold sales because gold is going down now. Just
Can you listen to me?
yeah, we can hear you, but
Can you
let
see
me
me?
see. We can see you, and we're just
Okay,
waiting
can you
for your
listen me?
screen to load.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, let me. The pattern the gold is coming in the 1 minute time frame. It is a perfect bearish pennant pattern. It's super bearish. The 460 needs to be broken, and the next will be 455 or 4660. That is the bearish pennant. One thing is for sure, it will to come down. I don't maybe after 10 minutes or 15 minutes or maybe an hour. It will keep consolidating and maybe go down after that. It is a bearish pennant. It will have to come down.
Yeah, it's still stuck though. It's still stuck between in that range. It's still stuck between 4625 and 4611. So it's still stuck there. Adnan, your Wi-Fi feels a little not strong enough because we cannot see your screen. It's just not loading. So maybe try and find a better spot for a Wi-Fi. And then we'll go and check in quickly with Chuol because I see a trade. I see a trade, Rhea. And it's gold buys. We changed the bias.
So I'm just trying to at least to take this trade because gold has just been consolidating in one trade.
It's going to be a nice profit.
So
We are going to see a nice profit if it pushes. Needs to push just a bit higher. Also, your profit is in the wicks. This is something that at least I say, never target the wicks because wicks lie. Wicks are not telling the truth. So, yeah, maybe worth putting it a little bit lower.
One reason why I often love switching to the line chart. I don't know why, but I love switching to the line chart sometimes for that reason, Anna.
Yeah, because you don't see the
wick.
yeah, that's really clever. That's smart.
Yeah.
Yep. Gold is pushing down now. This is just Oh my goodness. Hard to watch. Right, we need to check in with Kevin very quickly just to see how he's holding on. How you holding on?
Changed bias.
Changed
Let's go
bias.
now.
What's
Yes.
happening?
Change your bias.
Let's go. Let's go. We're
I
changed
think we're
bias.
done.
We're
And now
selling. Finally.
I'm in a lot of positions right now, so this can go really wrong or really right. We will see.
Okay. This can go really wrong or really good. Yeah, for sure. This is the moment. This is the moment where we're
Yes,
gonna
that's
see
right.
this. Okay.
That's right.
Okay. So
Ooh,
how is
ready
your
for-
heart? Is it keeping up all right?
Numbers going really fast. It's going good.
It's going good.
As long
Yeah.
as I see blues, I'm good.
Okay, we need blue or green on the C trader, but blue
Yeah,
is
yeah.
good. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
All right. All right. So you are close to in your equities like 100, 125. So every movement now makes like a big difference, right? So it's like just like you said, it's gonna go either really good or
I've
really
been-
bad. And Kevin, just remind us, this is your still first account. You haven't used your
Yeah.
second choice. Okay. Okay.
That's
Second
right.
chance, not choice. Okay. Well, we will catch in a little second because me and Rhea, we need to catch up and say that traders have just about 30 minutes left.
Wow, 30
Okay.
minutes already.
Yeah, so 1 hour and 28 minutes. And it is getting, I would say, stressful because Kevin is full in. Then we have Adnan, who's also selling, okay, on the second choice, second chance account. Then we have Prash, who's also in the second chance. And let's quickly check what is the Euro USD. It's going down. It's going down for him. So good. And then we have what else is happening? What else? Chuol is buying gold. So now it's like, again, Kevin and Chuol, they're against each other, like Kevin changed his bias. So this is so interesting to see. Our traders just like changing. So yeah, but let's quickly check in with Prash because we can see that it is pushing down and I see break even. Take profit.
This time I'm not moving my take profit.
This time you're not moving your TP. Now this is your mistake if you're not moving it. You should have. No, I'm kidding. Obviously the price action is very, very much bullish on lower time frames. And
Yes,
it is just really up to you if you decide you want to get out to change your bias, right? Because that's the purpose of it. You want to get out of this trade to change your bias, right?
Yeah, I will change my bias 100%.
Mm-hmm. So let's see if you're going to get out. You just need a small little push downside, and then you should see your take profit hit, which is break even. So that is good. That is really, really good. So fingers crossed for you. Fingers and toes. We're crossing fingers and toes. Right. Okay. Let's quickly check if gold is going up. Yes, it is. It is going up. It's going down. It's going up and going down. Let's check with Kevin. Kevin needs for gold to go down.
Yeah. I think at 12, around 12, I think. Then I'm good.
You have 5 positions open.
Yeah.
All of them are sells. So you are waiting for gold to melt. Yeah.
But it's just still going sideways, so we will see.
It's still going. I mean, I agree. Now it's even worse. Like when we look at this price action, it's just worse. It's getting worse.
I thought this was going to be volatile and everything because of the news, but
I know. I was the same. I thought the trader is going to come in. We're going to get funded in first 15 minutes, and then there's going to be like a whole hour to trade funded accounts and reach like 500 profit, and then we double it and you walk with 1,000. But today price action is just not price
because
action.
I did 2 TPs and 2 break even. I'm barely in profit. So we will see.
Yeah, but I guess now you're taking your chance because we are 29 minutes left until the clock is going to tick and it's going to be finished.
Yeah.
So it is definitely time for gold to push down. That's for sure. That's for sure.
Now something is
You
happening.
need gold to do something.
I mean, it is happening, and then next minute it's not going to be happening. Then in next
It's
minute
just
it's
going
going to
up,
happen.
down, up, down, up, down.
It's like, ping pong, just stop
That's
this,
right.
please. We need some peace, okay?
We need you to do something.
Gold, just
Now
do.
it's moving.
Okay,
Oh my
gold is
God.
doing
Come
something.
on, come on.
It's going. It's going. Right.
Come on.
Okay. Let's go. We see gold moving finally. There is a really, really good momentum here in gold. So let's go. Literally, we just need to see bigger push down, and then Kevin is going to be funded, right?
Yeah, I think so. I think around the 12 area. I think I'm good.
Almost there. Like we're almost there. We are almost there. We just need a bit more. So 500, we are targeting 500, and currently your equity curve is halfway through. Halfway through.
That's right.
Then let's quickly check in with Adnan. Right.
Anna,
Still,
please don't say never gold comes down. Please do not say that. Oh, it's coming down. When that it keeps going.
it's going down. Maybe I should not say anything at all. Like, just shush. It's like, yeah, I know I'm playing with emotions, you guys. That's why me and Rhea, we are here, to play with your emotions and be these little devils, that annoy you a little bit. But your trade is going well. It's going really, really good. And it's so good that you stuck with your bias, because you came in and your bias were bearish, right? Yeah. And well, actually, you were trying to buy, but then you sold, and now you've just been having the same bias. So I think you're doing a really excellent job here. We just need to see the gold push down for you. That's all what it is. But I'm not going to say anything, because once I say I need to push down, gold is just going up. It's just going up. Oh my. Right. Let's check with Prash if he managed to close. Yes. We have break even. But I don't see buys. Why do I not see buy positions? You're not going to buy?
Missed it.
How can you miss it? How can you
How
miss?
did you miss? Yeah.
How did you miss?
I was checking down the pair and missed it.
Oh no.
Oh,
How can you miss a
no.
trade? No. That is bad. That is so bad.
That's just as bad as a feeling as catching a trade and being right, but then, getting stopped out. Like, it's both don't feel good.
No, we need to check in with Kevin because gold is pushing up. Kevin, how are you holding up?
Right around 0, or maybe I'm wrong. We will see.
Okay, let's see if you change your bias in the right direction, because gold is just being nasty today. That's what it is. It's like, this is where gold is testing our traders today. Like, literally everyone is getting tested. Everyone is getting tested.
Yep.
All right, let's
so
see.
barely in profit now from this move.
You just need a small move, right? That's all what it takes.
Yeah,
but gold
I was
is
like,
just...
but I'm gonna get taken out, I think. Maybe.
Yeah. And if you're taken out, that means other trader, Chuol, is going to be winning. So we're going to come back to you just in a wee second. But let's see if we have a take profit. Almost at the take profit.
Ooh, nice.
When in full margin, but I just say I have to remain disciplined.
Okay.
Let's
Gold
go.
is moving. Gold is moving.
go,
Almost
go.
at take profit.
No,
It just
that is impossible.
Well, maybe you should exit manually. Just exit manually. Like, just close.
Take your money and run.
I feel like one step. Oh no.
Just close it manually. Don't, because this is a ping pong, right? So this is where trader, like gold might just go down again. So
yeah, I still have hope like it's going to trigger my take profit.
okay, right. So you wait and see what's going to happen. We quickly check in with Kevin. Kevin, are you still in? Yes, you are still in. Barely holding on. So, but look, this is a ping pong. So now technically what we've seen from the past is that gold is going to fall down. Okay. So that's what we saw.
So it's moment of truth.
It's moment of truth. Now it's like now or never, now or never. So this is moment of truth and we need to wait and see. Wait and see what gold is going to do. We just need a push down, for goodness sake. How many pips do we need? Not that many, right? Not many at all.
No,
what,
down
100
to
pips?
960 points. I don't know what points is in pips.
Very little.
100 pips.
Yeah, so 100 pips. That's exactly it. So, and this is the level where gold is jumping up and down, up and down. I'm getting impatient. Like I've literally like, Rhea, I need to do something. It's like I'm getting impatient because this ping pong is just ridiculous. It's just mad. Oh, you think and it's like we're getting smaller and smaller, right? We're getting squeezed now. The price is getting squeezed.
Yeah, it has to be.
Normally, this is what happens after we see that price is getting squeezed. It's either going to go up or it's going to go down. So it's 50-50 anyways. It's either going to go up or it's either going to go down. But breathe, just breathe. All I want, I genuinely want to see traders getting funded, right? So, and getting that payout. Come on, we need to see some action on gold. Like, what's happening?
That payout is so exciting, you know. And Ricardo last week when he took his payout, you know, he said, "Man, I'm using it to pay for my school fees." And I think Prash is a student too. Prash is a student too, you know. So,
yeah, could be a good opportunity here. Just that.
That's the best part.
Yeah,
you know, when they get funded, that's the best part.
Yeah, but today just market is a struggle for sure. A struggle. We just need to wait and see what the gold is going to decide.
Yeah. You know, I'm curious, you know, to know from the traders, you know, if they feel different trading live versus, you know, when they trade by themselves, you know, if that affects them emotionally at all, or if that makes them feel even more pressure than what they normally might feel. Just the fact that they're being watched.
Yeah, for sure. So we can check in quickly with Chuol because profit was taken. So we see a profit. So that's really, really good. Profit was good. Good to see. Well done.
Yeah, but I'm just feeling sad. Like every setup that I get, it takes me out and then it play away. Can you imagine this one took me out? And
oh, this took you out. Like, see, that's what I said. Like the wicks there on the left. Like you should have put just lower the stop loss. But it was, I mean, it was great setup for sure. Well done on that. It just took you out, but it was a good setup. So, are you still going to try and?
Yeah, sure. If I get good one, I'm going to try at least to take something.
Do you think you're maybe trying to sell gold now? Because there's obviously clear rejection area in gold. You're looking at GU.
No, in the gold, I don't feel like taking another trade. It is around 630. I feel like gold is going to make a one decision at this moment, either being bullish or maybe continue being a bear. That's what I'm waiting. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Well, let's wait and see because you still have time. We still have time. Maybe you will find your setup. Let's quickly check in with Prash because I want to see if there's any trades. There's no trades. Price did pull back. You said you missed the trade. You're not going to take it?
I do have. I do have GU.
Okay. Can you show us on your MT5, please?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Oh, but we're selling. Why we're selling? I thought you changed your bias. What's happening?
With price breakdowns. The price is breaking down to downside, so I sold again.
Okay. Okay, gotcha.
It needs to reverse, so I don't know.
Yeah. Needs to.
London AM and London PM sessions both suited to the ropes. Now we cleared the high time frame liquidity. We should move down.
Could move down, yeah. But it's looking bullish though. It's looking so bullish. So need to wait and see, I guess. Well, fingers crossed for you. We need to check in with Kevin because Kevin is, I believe,
almost
in some messy situation. Kevin, you're in a messy situation.
I think I have like $50 to go for.
Yeah, you have $50. I mean, look, you can still get all the way down to the profit if gold moves the normally gold moves, because literally in one candle you can move that in one candle. So all we need to see is that bearishness on gold and everything's going to change. But if we're going to see or not, that's a different story. It's looking like it's rejecting. This is the micromanaging here. Okay, so now we need to just manage by candle by candle. It does look bearish, so we have previous candle bearish as well.
That's my original stop loss though, so.
Okay. So you moved your stop loss. So you're okay. Let's see if that was a good decision or if that was a bad decision, and you will be taking it anyways.
We will see.
We will see. Oh my goodness, this is okay. This is really, really interesting. So let's check in with all the traders. So traders, how do you feel? We have almost 15 minutes left on the clock. How are you all feeling?
Feel good.
Feeling good?
Feel good.
Okay. Good.
Feel
Prash, how about you?
Good.
How are you feeling? Thumbs up, or you cannot do thumbs up because you're crossing your fingers.
Can't complain. Feeling a little pressure, that's all.
Right. But that's normal, right? And I guess Kevin is also feeling pressure now because his trades are all in and the gold is really going up now. So it's for sure interesting. We will see. Right. Okay, Rhea. We have due left with 15 minutes on the clock. So maybe we should, I don't know, let's make a bet. What's gonna happen? Let's make a bet. Is gold gonna push up or is gold gonna go down?
It's gold. Well, I was gonna say I know GU is gonna push up, but that's not. Let me see.
Yeah, that's a different story. You know,
so I kind of feel like gold is. I was gonna say I kind of feel like gold. We've got a flag forming. So for me, I kind of feel like it's gonna drop. It's gonna drop it like it's hot, a little bit more.
Drop it like it's hot.
That's what we're setting up for.
Yeah. I mean, I agree with you, and this is what we talked about, right? It's like it's just getting smaller and smaller and smaller. All that is just like coming in together. So it's it's looking good. So the only thing is it's time pressure here. Okay. It's time pressure. We have 14 minutes left. No funded traders as for now. Kevin is all in. Prash is keeping his bias, like still sells on GU. So we will see what's going to happen. And I guess
bless his heart.
Bless his heart. I know.
you know, for sticking so. He's like, it's gonna sell. I'm like,
it's gonna sell.
No, I don't know.
No, let's check in. How are you? Is all good? Like no more screen share. Like everything is gone. It's like no more. What's happening?
Incoming mail.
Okay, we see that you're not sharing anymore your screen. Is everything all right? Were you taken out, Prash?
I was taken. I was logging into another one.
Oh, right. Okay. Second chance. Okay.
Okay, so I'm taking your second chance with a little less than 15 minutes on the clock.
Yeah,
Hey,
why not?
anything's
Fill in.
possible.
Come on,
You've
let's
got
go. Let's go. We can still do
You've
it.
got this.
So we'll give you a second to think about your analysis. We need to check in with Kevin. Kevin, what's your heart rate?
0.
0. You're dead? Are you dead? You still alive?
Yeah, I'm still alive, barely. But now
Okay,
it's gonna take profit, no problem.
It's gonna take profit. Okay, well, we do
Yeah,
have
no
13
problem.
minutes left on the clock. This would be, all we need is just that push down. We need the push down.
Yeah.
You take the profit, you log in quickly in your funded account, and you make some profit so we can double that and you can get your payout. That would be great.
Perfect. We will see.
That's the plan. Is it gonna work? I don't know.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Of course.
Okay. We have
Visualize it.
very positive vibes. Like, yeah, we're like, hey, yeah, of course, market is going to do what I want it to do. Of course. What do you think? Of course, it's going to go down. Come on.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Yeah. We are $110 in equity floating profit here. So we're doing good. We're doing good for sure. Price is dropping. Exactly what we want to see. I don't know what kind of crystal ball Kevin is having, but whatever he's doing, it's working. Okay. Whatever you're doing is working.
Because I've been
Let's
so close
go.
to being taken out so many times.
I know, but that's why, that's why you're just a skill, right? We said you like when your stops are kissed. So it's
Of
just,
course.
that's how
Feels
it goes.
better. It feels better.
For sure. Right. So I'm not gonna lie, like looking at this price action, obviously it's now looking good. The gold is going up, the gold is going down. But look at your left, right? Every time gold is approaching this area, it bounces. So we have 11 minutes on the clock. It's disgusting. It's absolutely disgusting.
The same with Bitcoin, my main pairs. Just going sideways.
Just going sideways. You guys, like we picked the wrong date for this. We picked the wrong date. Should have been another date.
Oh man.
Okay. There is some hope. There is some hope for sure because we see gold is finally dropping. It's coming down. Okay.
Yes.
Watch out because you need 500. You need 500 profit to reach the funded account. 500.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I'm on the edge of my seat.
Come on.
I'm on the edge of my seat.
Come on. Let's go. We do have.
Come on.
Woo! Okay, we need to break like this. Like if we close lower, like we need to close just lower. So there's a proper break. Oh no.
I like this candle though, the 5 minutes. So
it's 5 minutes is definitely looking better, but like there's still that resistance. We need to break that. We need to melt through it. We need to melt through that. Come on. We can do this. We can do this. I'm so ready to give you a funded account now. Come on. Kevin, I hope you have calculated correctly your profits. Just
I
so
think I'm going to close mine anyway.
So it's, so you just need to make sure that you actually hit the 500. Okay, there we go.
Let's go.
This is like the moment of truth. The moment of truth here. We're so close and we have 9 minutes on the clock. So technically, come on, you could get funded. Like, let's go. Okay. We need $450 in these trades because Kevin already has $56 in account. So time is definitely ticking here. It is ticking.
Moving my way.
So let's see what's gonna happen. It's like we need to stay calm.
Yes. Calm and collected.
To stay calm and collected. Breathe in, breathe out. We're doing great. We're doing great.
Very close. We are so close.
We are so close. Literally. So close to this. But it's that support area there is really messing up. Yeah. It's really messing up. We just need to see bigger push down. We're playing ping pong.
Not fun. Not fun at all.
No. You just needed to add another position, you know. That's what you needed to do. You just needed to add another position.
I think I maybe can. Maybe.
Okay. We do have 8 minutes on the clock, but just calculate it.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
I'm like, yeah, I'm optimistic. I'm optimistic.
Not enough money. You're
now.
out of the leverage. You're out of the leverage, but it's all right. The gold is now pushing, so you don't need to open another position. Gold is now pushing, and
Come on.
you're good. You are good. We just need to see push down. Also, Adnan is holding his gold sells as well, and he's in the profit. He's not close to reaching the target just yet, but he is close. He is close. Getting closer. We are over leveraged in here. Okay. Kevin is full leverage. So full margin. Okay. Gold is just tempting, teasing us for sure.
Teasing for fun right now.
Well, the good thing as well here, guys, we're just watching Kevin because he's so close to getting funded here. But all of you who participated today, you get to keep the account. You get to keep your accounts and you can trade on it. So
yes,
Kevin, if you reach this funded account, then you get to keep it, even if you don't reach the payout.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but obviously we would love to see you getting that payout because we still have 7 minutes on the clock. So we might just get in and get some payout, you know. Maybe it's $20, but better than nothing, right?
No, right?
That's right.
So come on, let's go.
Come on.
Okay, gold is pushing really nicely now. So this is that moment where we need to see this support taken.
Yes,
so we want to see this exact like this candle here. Come on, just close bearish, like nicely bearish. Not good enough. Not good enough. It's not okay. This is better. This is better.
Might get somewhere.
We might get somewhere. So 320 equity, 350, 350. I feel like I'm in auction now. Wait, wait. We are at 370. Okay, pushing closer. Come on, gold. Just fall down. And we have exactly 5 minutes on the clock. It's all right. It's all right. Come on, gold. You guys, we're running short on time, for sure. We're running short on time. And all we need to see is just Kevin's trades go lower, right? Come on, gold. Go lower. All we need to see is for gold to go lower. We have 5 minutes on the clock. And yeah, let's keep tension, Rhea. Let's keep some tension. I will show that we are
how much time?
1 hour,
we have?
55, 39, and 40 and 41 seconds. So we have 5 minutes, you guys. 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. And gold, unfortunately, is not doing what we want it to do. But maybe we will see. Maybe we will see it. Right. Okay. We can watch again because gold is pushing lower. Okay, 327, 350.
Nice.
Are we going to get funded on the stream? That would be nice. Come on, let's get funded. Let's get funded. Let's go. 330. Come on, gold.
Come on.
Just push. We are almost at the 400 in equity. We just need another 100. We know that gold can do it. For those who trade gold, we know that it moves really, really quickly. That when it goes, it just goes. And that's what we want to see. We want to see gold move lower, not higher, right? No. We need to see gold moving lower. So we have 3 minutes. I mean, look, we know that there's not going to be a payout today, but we still have a chance to see Kevin getting funded here live with us. Come on, let's go. Let's get funded. Let's get funded. I also want to quickly see, because obviously we have changed bias here. Price is kind of behaving weird. Okay, that's what we saw here. Then Chuol is in the buys for oil. Okay.
Yeah.
Oil buys.
Yeah,
That's
sure. We are
looking
just
good.
waiting for Kevin De Bruyne to win the league.
Come on, Kevin. We just need to see Kevin win. I saw like you were like, come on,
De
let's go.
Bruyne, where is he? First put him on the screen and we see him.
Come on, Kevin. Let's go.
Kevin.
Kevin, let's go. Come on. Can you not move this gold? Like, what's happening? We just need to see it go lower. We just need to see it go lower. Right, let's check. Let's check your charts, Kevin. Are you going to make it? So
I hope
close.
so. How many minutes?
Come on.
You're so
We do have 2 minutes on the clock though. So 2 minutes on the clock. Almost there. But we just want to see you getting funded today. Come on, Kevin. We want to see you getting funded. Right. My question to you, are you going to wait until gold is pushing down and you're getting funded? Or once the time is up, you're just maybe going to close and then you will try to catch up? You will wait?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. It's like...
Or maybe, well, I need to see the reaction right there.
Mm-hmm. I mean, it did take the previous low, which is good.
That's right.
But we're still on that support there. So
I'm
see that,
aiming
yeah,
for
the
like
previous.
this.
Yeah. The previous level. This is a pain. This is a pain for sure. It's not nice. It's not nice to see this.
whole session today with gold was a pain.
Yeah. Gold was really a pain.
Oh man.
Oh man. Come on. Right. Rhea, I think you need to pick up your gong because we're going to stop in just below 30 seconds. So unfortunately, we did not get any payouts, but Kevin is very, very, very close to getting funded. So we're going to wait and see Kevin getting funded. And now this is the clock here. We can see that we are in 1 hour, 59 minutes and 49 seconds. So we have 10 seconds left until, yes. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Time's up. Time is up, you guys.
Time is up.
Yeah, sure.
Time is up, unfortunately, and we did not see anyone getting funded, but we did see Kevin almost getting funded. So, yeah. What do you think, guys? How was your
fun?
How is everyone?
Doing good.
We are fine.
Okay, should we
Okay.
close the trades?
Okay.
Should we close the trades?
You don't need to close the trades. No. It's your account to trade now. So you can do whatever you want. The time limit is off. So you can trade at the speed that you want. That's why I also asked Kevin, what are you going to do? Are you going to keep your trades open? Or you're shutting everything down and then, you come in with a fresh mind and you're like, hey, I'm going to try and get funded like properly, not under the pressure.
I'm gonna
see actually.
You're going to see what to do.
Yeah.
I know that your trades are still open, so you're going to close.
Mine too.
You also have trade open, yeah. And Adnan has a trade open as well. Yeah. So it's going to be interesting to see, guys, how you're going to approach this. Is it going to be, how you're going to get over this account? Are you going to get it funded or not?
Honestly, just that market wasn't on our side. We have been waiting for gold, so we expect a nice move, but it didn't happen because gold was just moving sideways from the beginning to the end. So we just went for other payers just to make some trade, but not that it is not our priority to go and do that.
Yeah. I think you guys performed really well under the pressure. So yeah, that's why it is sprint to cash, right? We are performing under the pressure, and this is all what you said. One of you said that this is opportunity for you to test, right? Let's test
Yeah,
yourself
sure.
if you can do this in these 2 hours. And definitely, do you think it was easy? I don't think it was
Not
easy
that
at all.
it
No, the
wasn't
market
easy.
was just, yeah, market was not nice at all. So yeah, it was not nice. But it was really good experience, I think.
Yeah, sure.
I think so. Yeah. Okay. Right. So Rhea, maybe time to wrap it up then.
Yeah.
Yeah,
De Bruyne,
absolutely.
how is it?
I think one of the Go ahead, Joe.
Kevin,
Yeah.
how is it, bro?
I am $150 away.
Oh,
I'm looking for the
150
moon
bucks.
now.
Oh,
I
it
think
is
you are.
going well,
I
bro.
think
It's
you're
going
getting now
well.
because gold is falling. You guys, look at this. Look at this. Gold is falling.
No, I'm
Yeah.
really like I was $30 away.
Oh my goodness. It's okay. It's teasing. Just before we want to wrap up things, gold is just teasing us. So, Kevin, honestly, we hope that gold is falling down and you are getting funded. Like, I really, really hope so. But yeah, Rhea, please go ahead and wrap this up.
Yeah. So, unfortunately, nobody secured a payout today, but that's okay. That's the reality of trading, right? You cannot win them all. Just like in sports, right? You're not going to win every game, but everybody did so beautifully today. So, all traders should be very proud of themselves. It's not always about winning, right? So, we had 4 traders, 1 hour, no winner. This has been Sprint to Cash.
Live market. Real pressure. No delays. Just execution. In real time. This is Sprint to Cash.